Stop using spammy, ad-filled websites to download videos. Today, I'm going to share a super lightweight software that helps you download videos from TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram with just one click, keeping the original quality and leaving absolutely no watermark. Just a quick reminder, platforms are very strict about copyright, so please only use this software to back up your own videos or download royalty-free content. You are probably tired of needing to download a sample video quickly, only to deal with slow-loading sites, constant pop-up ads, or ending up with a blurry video covered in watermarks. Stop wasting your time. Your solution is right here. It is a standalone, safe software that requires no complicated installation, and best of all, it is completely free. Using this software is incredibly simple and takes just 3 steps. Step 1. Scroll right down to the description of this video and click on the Google Drive link in the very first line to download the software. I have packaged a 100% clean file so you can use it with peace of mind. Step 2. Once the download is complete, simply right-click on the file and select Extract Here. Step 3. Open the newly extracted folder and you will see the software application file. Just double-click it and the software will launch automatically, ready to use instantly without needing to install anything else. The interface is extremely intuitive. All you have to do is copy the video link, paste it into the software, and hit download. In the blink of an eye, a crystal clear video with perfect audio will be saved right to your computer. Click the link in the description to download and try it out now. And if you want to know how to leverage this software to optimize your content creation workflow, click on the video on your screen right now.